Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So today I want to show you how to earn money from affiliate marketing. So the introduction is affiliate marketing is one of the most effective way for anyone to earn money online. Yeah, this is a quick and passive method to earn cash that it's scalable and that it's easy to set up. No technical skills is required, and if you choose the right product and connect with the right market, you can stand to make hundreds of even thousands of dollars in a short space of time. So this is the ebook. It's affiliate marketing success. So here the introduction. As I said, the what mean affiliate marketing, and so yeah, essentially affiliate marketing it means selling a product that it's not yours for a commission. You then get to earn money for a sale you make, meaning that all you need to do is to connect that product with an audience that will appreciate. So when selling affiliate products such as ebook, you will often find that you get to keep 700 or more of the profit. Choose the right product and you can earn just as much money as someone who built a product themselves. So let's get step. Okay, first thing. Okay, for those that are already selling affiliate products, this book should serve to provide you with the additional skills and tips you need to really take your business to the next level. This is included the tool being used by the top brands in order to sell huge tickets items like MBA courses and 5,000 dollars powerhouse laptops. So here the first chapter. It's why affiliate marketing is the best way to make money for beginners. So here you will find all the information you need. So you need just to read this ebook is too useful, and from this ebook you will learn how to make the real money. So let's say the big title here and how affiliate marketing work. Here explain everything. So let's go to the chapter 2, how to find and sell affiliate products. So okay, that's enough. Okay. Well, first you're going to need a product. Okay, yes. In order to get this, you are going needed to head over to a website such as ClickBank or Junction, and another good one is GVZoo. So let's see here. Here selling physical products and service. Why I think a book drop platform like GVZoo is an excellent way. It's an excellent way to ensure that you can keep the maximum profits. It also has its limitations. So here all the information, and also here Amazon Association is their version of an affiliate program, and it's very tempting option for many marketers. If you like up information on affiliate marketing, then you will likely find that the vast majority of it focuses on selling digital products through the likes of GVZO, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. On Amazon, things are different. Amazon is already splitting the profits with the manufacturer. They have to pay for storage, shipping, and postage, and generally they can't afford to offer you more than 4% or maybe 8% at a push. Other option for selling physical products, selling services. Here the third chapter, how to choose affiliate products wisely. And this is it's very important because if you want to success in this field, you need to know how to choose the wisely product. You need to choose the winner product. Here what not to sell. Here everything it's tell you what's not to sell. So alternative strategy, here's some useful strategy, and multiple products, choosing physical products, everything. And here in the chapter 4 is building an audience and marketing the product. That's also good. How to create a brand that sell. And here is the skills and the tips that will help you too much. Placing your link, creating a sale page. Here it teach you what you need to do until to succeed in this field. It's step by step. It's building a store, more ways to sell. As I said, it's following with you is step by step. Here PPC advertising and other marketing. When placing ads on Facebook, you will be able to target who they are shown to base it on information that your users share with the social site. Those include age, sex, location, hobbies and interests, job title, income brackets, interests of others, and more. Direct selling through Facebook and other platforms. Here the chapter 5, powerful modern tool and strategy. Here all the strategy you need. Mhm. Here more tool, and here the add, here conclusion, sorry. So there you have it, everything you need to know to build a highly successful affiliate marketing business, and etc. So yeah, here is the end of this ebook. I recommend this ebook for you. It's too useful if you want to success in this field in the affiliate marketing. I will let you the link in the description. You need just to go to this description and you will find the link there. Just click on it and it will show you and give you the ebook and the ebook. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have some question or comments, just don't hesitate to type it in the comments. So thank you so much and have